Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, hello student. In this short video, I will share about how I will evaluate your presentation. As you know, from this week to the following weeks, you will have a thematic presentation, thematic group presentation, and how I evaluate you, I will describe in this short video. Okay, let me share you something. Okay, this is a control sheet to evaluate your presentation. As you can see in your screen, from the upper side, there are some trivial thing, so something like what lesson we're in, and then uh, the day, the date, what class, A, B, C, D, and time when your presentation will begin. And then the topic you will deliver, it will be written here. Afterward, uh, in the lower table, and as you can see, there will be your name and uh, your mate name and your group name and your student ID and uh, the notification whether you are attend or not. This is for your attendance and this is for your absent. Okay, Y for your attendance and T for your absent. And during your presentation, what language you will use? Do you use English? It will be E. Do you use Bahasa? Will be the B letter will be circled, and the M mix of English and Bahasa will be circled to notice what is the language you will use. And then the individual contribution to the group, I will evaluate what is your contribution toward your group. Are you keep silent during the group presentation? Are you try to say something? Are you try to answer the question? Are you uh, are you showing me the maximum effort to explain your material? This is what I will write it down here. Your effort, your contribution toward your group. And then in the lower column, it will be a individual report. What will be written here? I will write down your name and I will report which what the positive things you do during presentation and what are the negative things you do during the presentation as well. Maybe I will note your grammatical error, and maybe I will note uh, the phrasal verb that you use incorrectly. That 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 are some of the report. I will write it down here in the individual report column. And then, of course, in your presentation, you will have a question and answer session. And during the question and answer session, I will also evaluate you who deliver a question what the question he or she delivers, and then who will answer that question, and what kind of question he or she will give for the given question. Okay, and for the lowest and for the last column, it will be an involvement in discussion that I will notify, that I will take note from you. Who give, for example, if some of you give an argument during a question and answer session, I will notify who deliver the arguments, what point in in their argument, the person and the argumentation, at the point of the argumentation, I will write it down here so that uh, I know what she or he can say about the point they trying to deliver. Okay, from this point, I hope you now you know how I evaluate you and your group about your presentation. So that I hope you will give your maximum effort for your presentation from tomorrow till the end of the presentation themes. So this will this will be your uh, this will be your performance score, and also a daily or weekly score. So it means it is an important part of our learning in our class. So please make sure you will perform maximally and you will involve in question and answer properly. That's all for the day. What I'm gonna say to you, I have delivered it all. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching. See you in the next occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.